हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है यूज़फुल शॉर्टकट कीज़। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। इसके अलावा अगर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कोई भी वीडियो चाहिए हो तो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। फर्स्ट, Ctrl+A is equals to select all. Second, Ctrl+B is equals to bold. Third, Ctrl+C is equals to copy. Fourth, Ctrl+D is equals to duplicate. Fifth, Ctrl+E is equals to align to center. Sixth, Ctrl+F is equals to find the text. Seventh, Ctrl+G is equals to group and go to. Eighth, Ctrl+H is equals to replace. Ninth, Ctrl+I is equals to italic. 10th, Ctrl+J is equals to justify. 11th, Ctrl+K is equals to hyperlink. 12th, Ctrl+L is equals to align to left. 13th, Ctrl+M is equals to paragraph indent. 14th, Ctrl+N is equals to open new page. 15th, Ctrl+O is equals to open files, URLs/URLs. 16th, Ctrl+P is equals to print document. 17th, Ctrl+Q is equals to clear indent. 18th, Ctrl+R align to right. 19th, Ctrl+S is equals to save. 20, Ctrl+T is equals to hanging indent. 21 Ctrl plus U is equals to underline. 22 Ctrl plus V is equals to paste. 23 Ctrl plus W is equals to close document. 24 Ctrl plus X is equals to cut. 25 Ctrl plus Y is equals to redo. 26 Ctrl plus Z is equals to undo. Thank you.